Hello guys, in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually use templates in Excel. Now, using templates in Excel does not just make your work faster but also makes it easier for us. It just as you can actually use templates on Canva, but this time around it's on Excel. Alright, so how can we do that? After opening your Excel, this is how it's going to be looking like when you open your Excel. Then you come over to this part here where you see the more templates. Now, these more templates are where we are going to see different kind of templates, from that of billing statement to blood pressure tracker. All of these are all templates. But here is a blank workbook. So we are not going to be working with a blank workbook. Instead, we are going to be working with a template. Alright, so I'm just going to tap on more templates. Now I can easily scroll to find more templates here. Now, if you should actually scroll, you find just few numbers of templates. But are these all the templates? No, we're having more than this. So how can we now get more and more templates? All you just have to do is to come here, you tap on this and search. Now I need a template of a pie chart. Okay, a pie chart. Then I just hit the enter, and then it's going to be searching some numbers of templates online, and then I'm going to have good. Now I'm having this ones here. So I can now decide to pick anyone here. So let's say I want to pick this. I'll just tap on it and then I tap on create. So it's actually going to be downloading it before it can insert it. Remember, this is an online template, so it's definitely going to be downloading it. Alright, so when you've downloaded this, it actually comes out here and I can now be able to use this template. So you see this here, this is actually the chart. Alright, so this is just how we can actually use our chart. Now we can decide to also change some things here. Maybe if it's that of the color, you can decide to change the color. This is actually a pivot chart. You can decide to add some things, that of the filters, the legend, the values, all of these here. You can actually do this here. So this is actually a pivot. So if you actually want to learn about pivot table, so that you can be able to understand how you can go through this and do some changes on this chart, you can do well to hit this video right up here, or the video is actually going to be at the end of this video. You can tap on it and then you watch the pivot table, how you can actually understand and go about with your pivot table in Excel. Alright guys, so this is just how you can actually work with your templates on Excel. Alright, do not forget, hit that subscribe button, continue to share this video, and I so much appreciate you all for how you've continued to subscribe to my channel. And now I am at 1,000 subscribers. I need to keep going. I need up to 1,000,000 subscribers. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys in our next class, and stay safe.